or many other things. So how these gadgets are discussing with each other, that is the concept of what? Internet of Things, where machines will discuss with each other and also take the decision on their own, like how the artificial intelligence does. So you can operate your home appliances by going far away distance also through your mobile. That your mobile is a gadget and your machine at home, that is something you have forgot to switch off the refrigerator. So your refrigerator will interact with the gadget and they will take a decision. So that itself was Internet of Things, where machines will discuss with each other based on the internet. So next thing is the first person, the first Indian. We already have the topic that achievements of Indians in science and technology. So never ever forget who achieved and what they have achieved if it is a particular personality from Indian origin. So the first person to receive the Nobel laureate in physics in 1930, we already know that it is C.V. Raman Garu, based on the concept of the scattering of the light. In detail, we have discussed about the properties of the light, and one of the four most important property of the light is scattering of the light. Why? And there was also prelims question like, what was the reason for the why do really you think that sky is blue in color? Definitely not. Do you really think that while during the sunrise and sunset the whole sky becomes orange in color? All these phenomena are because of what? Scattering of light. So that the answer is C.V. Raman Garu. And the last and final question in the science and technology regarding intellectual property rights. We also have the syllabus issues relating to intellectual property rights, and on the laws which were given were trying to protect the intellectual property rights in India. So what are the different types of intellectual properties like trademarks, copyrights, patents, GIs? You have so many things already we have discussed in the class. So answer is all of the above. So please do subscribe the YouTube channel for getting more updates regarding the services, and download the app. And for any few more queries, contact the phone number is provided in the description, 8985485489. Thank you. So next we're going to discuss regarding the current affairs question. So next 10 questions are related to the current affairs. So first question, you can see that is the 16th question, Global Gender Gap Report. So who will be releasing that? World Economic Forum will be releasing the Global Gender Gap Report. That was released recently, but do you know that not even a single country in the world have reached the gender parity? That is, there is no equality for the men and the women throughout the world. That was the first and like most unaccepted truth which was revealed by the Global Gender Gap Report. So you can see UK, US and China achieve full gender parity. The first option is wrong. Then you have to, already I told you it is released by the World Economic Forum, and it was based on the 4 parameters, that is the political things, economical things, health and also education. That is the true one. So the 2 statements are right and the 1 statement is wrong. So while we are having a rapid revision program, in that we will also cover the current affairs at a faster pace for the upcoming prelims. So next, the 17th question, we already know that many Ramsar sites, approximately now we have more than 95 Ramsar sites in India, and in 2025 itself so many were being announced. So you have to match with the state which it belongs to. You can see that Gogabil Lake, that is a Ramsar site which belongs to the Bihar, and Silisir Lake is present in the Rajasthan. All these were declared as a UNESCO World Heritage site, not UNESCO, Ramsar sites which were recognized in this year. Udhwa Lake, that is in the Jharkhand, and Sakarkottai Bird Sanctuary, that is in the Tamil Nadu. So the option is like option whatever you have getting is B, A and C, D. So such type of things can be gone through only through current affairs. So next question you can see, UPS is fond of to ask anniversaries whenever it is like 50 years, 25 years, 75 years and 100 years, 150 years. So definitely if you get such type of